Kung virtual assistant ka tapos nalulunod ka na sa mga napapanood mo na videos pero gusto mo talagang matutunan yung automations, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Mary and I teach people how to start working from home. Today I'm gonna walk you through something that I learned about Go High Level navigation, and I feel that this is one of the most important kasi ito yung pinakang nagpapagaan sa buhay ng mga business owners at syempre tayo, virtual assistants at freelancers. Workflows. Kahit zero experience ka pa. So make sure that you watch towards the end, and if you feel that someone might benefit from this video, i-share nyo na rin to sa kanila, itag nyo sila dyan because hindi ito pang techie lang. This is a beginner-friendly, VA-friendly, step-by-step from someone who is also learning Go High Level, and I'm gonna explain it to you in such a way na naintindihan ko bilang hindi techie. Ang haba ng intro. Anyway, just to get started, ang workflow is a set of automatic actions that happen without you doing them one by one. In simple terms, ang workflow is your digital assistant inside Go High Level. So, instead of you manually sending emails, following up with leads, tagging contacts, moving leads to a different pipeline, yung workflow na ang gagawa nun para sa'yo. Think of it like this. May tinatawag tayo na trigger. So, if the trigger happens, then automation, please do this. Parang ganon. Example, if someone fills out a form, you automatically send them a welcome email, mag-a-add na ng tag, i-move mo na sa new lead, and then magkakaroon ng reminder to follow up. Everything automatic, no stress, no forgetting. Now, workflows help you save time, obviously, but it will also help you avoid missed follow-ups, look professional to clients, they feel na alagang-alaga sila, manage more clients without burnout, earn more because automation equals high-value skill. Clients don't pay for posting or replying. They pay because systems are running even when you are offline. Now, as a virtual assistant, let's have a real-life VA example. A client gets 20 leads gabi. Kung walang workflow, kailangan mong gumising, manually magre-reply ka, manually itatrack mo, manually magpo-follow up ka. But if you have a workflow in place, yung lead na yon kahit dumating pa sila ng alas 12 ng gabi Eastern Standard Time, get instant replies, get tagged, organized, and scheduled kahit tulog ka as their virtual assistant. And that is effing power. So in short, a workflow is an automatic process that tells the system what to do when something happens. Once you understand workflows, Go High Level stops being scary and starts being a money skill. Kaya nga pinag-aaralan ko to eh. Diba? This is one of the most important concept ng Go High Level na kailangan maintindihan mo. Once this clicks, everything becomes easier. It will take time, but it becomes easier. So let's make it very simple and very visual. Before proceeding to our practice task, pag-usapan muna natin ano nga ba yung pagkakaiba ng workflow at funnel, kasi sikat na sikat ang funnel ngayon, di ba? Both are tools inside Go High Level. Now, I am going to speak about it in such a way na we're talking about Go High Level. Pero in context, pareho lang halos. So, pareho sila na tools inside Go High Level, but they do have very different jobs. So, ang funnel is what people see. Ito yung front-facing path na dinadaanan ng leads. Isipin mo ang funnel as landing page, opt-in page, thank you page, booking page. Halimbawa, may nag-click ng ad, makikita nila yung page. Then, ilalagay nila yung email nila. And then, they land on a thank you page. That entire journey is called a funnel. Funnel, kumbaga, is pages plus forms plus visuals. Tapos sabi ko nga kanina, yung workflow naman is what happens behind the scenes. It's the automatic actions after someone does something in the funnel. Yung workflow is yung magsisend ka ng email, SMS, tags, moving pipelines, assigning tasks. So, na-mention ko na yan, di ba? Imagine, after maglagay ng email, after someone submitted the form, makakakuha sila ng welcome email. And then, itatag siya ng system as new lead. Pagkatapos, ilalagay siya dun sa pipeline. And then, pwede ka pa nga mag-add na ino-notify yung client. Kumbaga, ang workflow is the automation plus actions. The easiest way to remember this would be funnel is the door, workflow is what happens inside the door. Gusto niyo yun? Ang dami ko naisip. Or, pwede rin funnel attracts and then workflow follows up. As a real estate virtual assistant, halimbawa na lang, may lead na gusto nilang tingnan yung property. So, they fill out the form. The funnel will collect the lead information and then si workflow will nurture that lead. They work together, not against each other. Okay? Now, clients often say, I need a funnel. But what they usually mean is, I need leads plus follow-up plus organization. And that's when you can explain, dahil nga naiintindihan mo na to, pwede mo na i-explain na I'll build the funnel and the workflow. That's how you upsell properly. That's how you avoid confusion. That's how you position yourself as a systems virtual assistant. So, in short, recap lang tayo, a funnel captures attention and information and then the workflow automates what happens next. Kapag naiintindihan mo na yung difference na to, dumadali na talaga yung konsepto ng go high level. Hindi na siya nagiging overwhelming and it starts becoming a skill na talagang ang dami mo ng ideas na pwede mong gawin sa kahit ano pang industry yung mapili mo. Now, let's go back. Workflow in go high level. Di ba nga sabi ko, si workflow is automatic assistant mo. Instead of ikaw yung magsasend ng email follow-up, tag ng leads and all that, si go high level na ang gagawa nun sa'yo. So, think of the workflow as, if this happens, do this. Halimbawa, if someone fills out the form, you send a welcome email, mag-a-add ka ng tag, mag-move, and all that. Na-mention ko na yung kanina, di ba? Let's put that into practice. And we will do it slowly. And keep in mind, if you're watching this via YouTube, pwede nyo i-slow down talaga yung video. Minsan kasi na-excite akong mag-chika. So, i-slow down nyo na lang yung video dyan. O kaya mag-comment kayo, bagala mo magsalita. Ang bilis mo magsalita, may punto ka pa naman. Ganon. Let me show you another way to make your life easier. Kasi dito sa Go High Level, meron tayong tinatawag na templates. Quick recap muna tayo nung mga natutunan na natin so far. Dito sa left side, makikita ninyo, nandyan na yung marketing, automation, ito yung mga dinidiscuss ko kanina. So when you click on marketing, when you click on emails, and you click on create campaign, makikita nyo meron na dito mga email templates. So your task is to, number one, create that template. For my mentees, especially for real estate VAs, yung address na kinuha ninyo, yun lang yung itatransfer nyo na information dito. Pagkatapos, click on use template. Pagkatapos, intayin nyo lang, prayers lang. Lalabas din yan. Okay. So from here, makikita nyo na para rin lang siyang Canva. Click, drag and drop. You wanna change a photo, you wanna change something, click nyo lang dyan, edit, pencil icon. You can upload from your media. Pwede rin namang palitan nyo yung mga links. And hanggang sa baba, gaya nito, if you wanna change, click nyo lang tong pencil icon. Pagkatapos, click on save. You go back. Ganon din naman guys when it comes to creating your campaigns. So dito sa side na to, makikita nyo dyan email campaign, workflow campaigns, and then bulk action campaigns. If you click on workflow campaigns and then you click on new, it will open this one for you. Ito ang workflow tab. Pwede rin naman actually i-click nyo na lang yung automation and it will also take you to the same page. Pagkatapos, sa taas, click on Create Workflow. And, ladies and gentlemen, meron din tayong mga workflow template. So ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, you can start from scratch para mag-practice, but why not use template? So click on select template. Oh. So kapag ganyan, click on choose template and prayers lang again. But it will take you here. And on here, makikita nyo automatic na nandyan na. I-edit nyo na lang yung trigger. So, dito, ang ginawa niyong trigger is customer reply. Another example that I wanna show you is, eto naman. If, halimbawa, nag-message sila sa Facebook, makikita mo kagad dyan, if nag-message sila sa Facebook, andito na yung mga triggers. Pagka nakaayos na yan, meron na rin ditong automatic sisendan sila ng text message, but we're not using this ha. Pinapakita ko lang sa inyo yung mga possibilities. Another thing that I wanna show you is eto namang gagamitin natin para sa task natin, which is the email drip. So, select from template and then search na natin, email drip. This one, choose template. Halimbawa, we wanna follow yung example natin kanina. Ang trigger is kapag naglagay ka ng tag. So dito, add a new trigger and then contact tag, add the filters, tag added, and then reva ulit. Save trigger. Click mo to, yung first email. And eto yung supposedly itsura niya dun sa template, but we wanna change that because we already have the templates. So, click mo lang yung select existing template, save action, wait for 1 day, was the email opened? So, if they open the email, yes, wait for 1 more day, send the next email. Ganun ulit, select template, save action, and ladies and gentlemen, if palalakihin ko siya, ganito kahaba yung template ng workflow niya. So, kumbaga, in-nurture na niya via email yung inyong mga clients without you lifting a finger. Kaya ang daming natutuwa kapag ang pinag-uusapan na is automations. And in reality, yung iba't ibang strategies, mahirap siyang pag-aralan, pero hindi mo siya matututunan lalo kung hindi ka magsisimula dito sa pinakang basic. So if you are serious about becoming a high-value virtual assistant or freelancer, learning Go High Level is a smart move. Now, a lot of times, medyo sumasakit yung batok natin. And if you are like me na talagang iniwasan ko as much as I can for 5 whole years, ayokong itap yung likod or yung back end ng Go High Level kasi feeling ko sobrang techy. I think this is a good time for me to say na hindi naman pala siya ganun kahirap pag-aralan. Lalong-lalo na if you will take it one step at a time. Kapag marunong ka ng workflows, hindi ka na replaceable. Now guys, if hindi nyo pa sure how to get started with Go High Level, keep in mind na nandito ako, nag-aaral tayong sabay-sabay. Hindi na nyo pwedeng gawing excuse na kayo ay matanda na rin po ako. Let's learn together. If hindi mo pa nasisimulan sa pinakang simula ha, mag-comment ka lang ng Learn GHL and we'll send you over full series. Hindi pa tapos yung series ha, but we'll send it over to you para sabay-sabay tayong natututo every time na magdodrop ako ng bagong video. Also, kung wala pa kayong GHL na pagpraktisan, I'll send you over a link where you can sign up absolutely for free. Parang itong video tutorial na to. So mag-comment na kayo ng Learn GHL dyan. I-share nyo na to sa mga tropa nyo na feeling ninyo gusto na rin matuto ng GHL. And that's it for this vlog. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Remember, this skill can literally change how much you earn online. So wag ka na magpahuli pa. I'll see you sa next vlog. Bye!